India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich. Try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents. Teachers and all others. Respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
International news is brought to you by U. Bonendra. Tennis in West Asia to continue impact shipping routes. In Ukraine, nighttime missiles and drones are crossing to Kyiv and surrounding regions. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. And today's state and sport news is brought to you by SNA of Grade VII Sapphire. State news.
You need not say your
NEET UG examination reformat introduce second examination. Sports news. India team Sri Lanka their upcoming second test. Thank you. By suicide. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt of learning. I repeat it again. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt of learning. Thank you. By Arvind.
what is.
By Arvind. Exploitation, meaning the action of treating someone unfairly in others to benefit from their work or resources. Friends, please spell after me. Exploitation. Exploitation. Meaning.
Weather report is brought to you by V. Meghana. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, wind speed 12 km per hour, precipitation 15%, mostly cloudy, partly sunny. Thank you. Geo questions are brought to you by K. Reddy. Question for grade 7. How many zeros are there in 1 crore?
7.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 7. Question for grade 8. What is 10% of 1 lakh?
10,000.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 10,000. Question for grade 9. What is 20% of 20? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 4.
Let's
For grade 10. What is 25% of 25?
6.25.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 6.25. Let us all appreciate them. Open questions for all. Open question number 1. How many zeros are there in 1 billion?
9.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 9. Let us all appreciate them. Open question number 2. How many lakhs make 1 million?
10 lakhs.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 10 lakhs. Let us all appreciate them. Open question number 3. What is the reciprocal of infinity?
1 by infinity. 0.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 0. Let us all appreciate them. Thank you. The abbreviations are brought to you by E. Pawan Kumar. AM, arithmetic mean. AP, arithmetic position. TSA, total surface area. SI, simple interest. ST, standard deviation. IFF, if and only if. CF, confinitive frequency. Thank you. Activity number across language is brought to you by Arshini. Today, let us explore the numbers, speak different languages. We all know that digits are written in English 1, 2, 3, and we use them every day, but do not know how these same digits are written in other languages. Let's take a look at how these Numbers are other languages. Malayalam, one is written as Onnu.
Stand there. You stand there.
One is written as Onru. In
It is Ondu. Ondu it is, not Onru.
in Hindi, one is written as Ek. In Tamil, one is written as Onru. In Telugu, one is written as Okati. In Punjab, one,
In Punjabi.
one is written as Eka. In Odia, one is written as Eko. Thank you.